macaroni. Yan, lagay mo yan. Diyan. Ayan, may tubig yan. Lalagyan mo ng tubig. Ayan. Kaya pag may mga ganito ka ng ice cream na ganyan, dalawa siya, maliit lang, o kaya mga kung anong meron, may lata ka, ganyan, gawin nyo yan. Kasi kung itong ice cream ang perfect, kasi ito, pwede mo siyang putulin later. At itanim mo na lang siyang ganyan. Kasi, ang ito ay natutunaw. Natutunaw siya. So, I hope you guys learning from me. This is how I adapt on how to plant your stuff, okay? So, you just have to make sure. So, later on when this already, you will know that this already adapting, because what's gonna happen is it's gonna have root, and then when it has root, it's gonna flower and it's gonna be fat. It's gonna be so healthy, and that's when you cut it off from this bottom right here. It's gonna have its own root, it's gonna have its own thing, and then you can transfer it later to somewhere else. Like for example, if you want to transfer it in this one of this thing, you can. And see, that's why don't throw away your kitty litter container, because you can use that. It's the perfect one for it. How deep it is and how square. So that's what you do. So you can just keep it like that. See? Like so. And just wait until it becomes by itself. Okay? So that's how you market. Ganyan ang magmarket, mga kapatid. Patubuin nyo lang yan. Tapos lalagyan mo siya ng ito, decomposition. Galing ito sa mga bulaklak ko dati na dinicompose ko. So that's how you do it. And then it will be healthy, and put fertilizer on it. The same thing as the flowers, roses. You can also do the same, apply to the roses, okay? Like so. Ayan. Ayan na. Tapos na tayo dyan. Ngayon, meron pa kasi siyang wild na isa, oh. So, napakaswerte ko kasi dalawa sila nag-usbong dito. Pwede mo siyang kunin dito, eh. Kaso nga lang, the reason why I couldn't do it, because it has this. So, this one has this in that side. So I have to do this way, this one. Now I'm gonna have to do it with this, like so, this one. So I'm going to, you know, be careful. I already did this like that. See, all you have to do is just go like this, put it in, and you have, be careful lang, just very gently, okay? Try to put it in. It's only a leaf, so as much as you can, protect the mother, the thing on it. Like this kind, you wanna protect that. Like that. Wanna protect that. Okay? Ayan guys, tinuturo ko sa inyo kung paano mag-garden. Ayan. Ito kasi ang gusto ko. Mas gusto ko pang mag-garden kontra makigulo sa gulo ng mga tao na hindi mo alam kung anong mga pakay nila sa'yo. Okay, you don't need to do that. You learn and be productive with your day. Okay? Oh, naku po. Ayan. Ay. Yeah, anyway, I am trying so hard. This is really difficult, guys. You have to really be patient with the things you do, just like work, like job. When you have a job, you have to be patient to be able to do things, you know what I mean, to accomplish whatever it is that you're trying to do with your life. So that's what happens. See, so now I have this inside. See, yan, I have it inside. Ayan. I have it inside already here. See that? So that's where it's gonna be, like this one. This is the coffee thing that I put in there. So later on you can transfer that later in a different ground, okay? And this one, I have another one right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the same way.